third car today is the Audi A5 S-Line Black Edition. Now just to point out what this car is, it's a stunning little car, to be honest with you. You've got the black alloys as it's a black edition. You are going to benefit from the privacy glass at the back. With it being a black car, I think the black wheels and the privacy glass is a really nice touch. I'm just going to take you around the car so you can see what kind of space we're looking at. As it's an Audi A5, you have got quite a big boot, so it does go quite deep in there. And also, if you lift this up, you've also got your spare wheel in there as well. So for those who don't like the compression kits or those kind of things, you've got a wheel in there for that peace of mind. So it's a huge boot, isn't it? Again, just walk around the front of the car so I can show you into the passenger side. Again, this one has got a 60-40 split, so if you need that extra space, whatever you're putting in the back of the car, you've got the option to drop your seat, 60-40. Okay, so as you can see, full leather. It's a stunning little car, to be honest with you, for £8,000. S-Line Black Edition, as I've mentioned. So much space in this car. Really, really nice. You are going to benefit from the CD player. You've got your Bluetooth in there. This one does say there's an option for navigation, but I believe with the extras pack that was put on, the navigation wasn't added. However, you have got your parking sensors. You have got your traction control. Don't turn your traction control off. Stunning little car. Must be viewed, must drive it. My name's Kevin. Look forward to hearing from you.